What's good, people? It's your girl Nishoy, and I'm back with another banging video. So, as you can see by the title down below, today I'll be doing a different type of video and I'll be talking about the St. Catherine Estate. Yes, yes, and yes. Now, the St. Catherine Estate has 47 units that are now available for sale, and it is between the time period of Wednesday, May 25th to Friday, May 27th. The applications will be open between the time frame of 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Now, people, if you'd like to get a home, go ahead and check out the NHT website where you can go ahead and sign up for one of these houses, right? They have 28 one-bedroom units available, and they also have 19 studio complex units available. And this is between the price ranges of $6 million up to $8 million. Don't make this offer miss you. Now, if you'd like to see a tour of these two units, then stick around. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell because it keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video. And also, don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section to let me know which other videos that you'd like to see me do. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video.
Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care.
Okay, people. So this is what the single detached unit looks like, right? Alright, people, so before we complete the entire video tour, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you how to apply for the NHT. Now, what you're gonna do is go online and you're gonna type in www.nht.gov.gm, and what you're gonna need is your TRN, your NIS, your gross income for the year, and you're also gonna need your payment history for the year also. So what you can do is go online, type it in, click on the estate that you're looking for, and go ahead and sign that up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a detailed video on how to apply for the NHT in a different video. So you can look out for that video in the next video, right? Now, let's talk about real estate. There's never a wrong time to purchase a house from a housing scheme or through NHT. Now, when you purchase this house, what you can do is go ahead, rent it out, put it on the market, Airbnb it. There's never a dull moment. So go ahead, people, go ahead and take this offer. Go ahead and purchase one of these homes and see where it brings you. So let's go ahead and finish up the tour of the next house. Alright people, so that's the end of the video. I hope you liked that video, and I hope you stay tuned for the next estate that I'll be talking about, or the next housing scheme that I'll be talking about, and the prices or rental houses or house going for sale. But go ahead, like the video, share the video, and of course subscribe.
Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit